So let me tell you one simple and easy trick to improve your spellings. The wrong spelling is becoming a very common problem nowadays because of the messages before the WhatsApp messages that we are sending to each other. Most of the time those messages are informal and it doesn't matter that we are writing correct spellings or not. But when it comes to IELTS writing, to be specific, or any writing in the world, it doesn't matter in which exam you are appearing, you cannot make the spelling mistakes. How can you improve your spelling? The first step is to identify the word, is to identifying the words which you are writing wrong. And how can you do that? You just take your writing to any IELTS instructor, or you can take your writing to any English teacher, any English trainer who can tell you that what are the correct spelling, or what spelling mistakes you have made in your writing. And it also happens that when we are writing the word, it somehow clicks us that I don't know the correct spelling. And it's just a fluke that it could be the correct spelling. For that purpose, just go to Google, find out the correct spellings and just practice those spellings 10, 20, 30, 50 times might be, until or unless you don't become habitual or fluent in writing the correct spellings only. Earlier when we were in the schools, we used to consider that this is the punishment, that we have to write our spellings or any word 10 times, 20 times. It was not the punishment, it was for the practice, and still it's for the practice, and you know that practice makes a man perfect. So practice your correct spellings more than 20 times or any number that can make you perfect in your spelling. Do this practice and do not make the spelling mistakes at all.